Columbus Police, Tech 181.
Hi, my name is Jesse. I'm calling from Starbucks at 2127 East Livingston. And I'm calling because we've had a person who I think might be homeless. She's been circling our parking lot and trying to open car doors. I'm wondering if maybe we can get an officer out here.
Hey, now. How's it going? Hey. That's her, actually. By the
pump?
Yeah.
That black lady?
I think her name is Bianca.
Okay, what was she doing over here?
I guess she was like calling on people's doors to try to like get into people's cars.
Yeah, we had a few customers complain that she was just trying to open car doors.
Okay. What would you guys want to do?
I mean, we're trying to trespass her, so...
Okay, you want to trespass her?
Mm-hmm.
Okay, are you the manager here?
I am, yeah.
You said that's the lady over there?
Mm-hmm. Yes.
So I'm going to see if I can get her, you can verbally trespass her, tell her she's not welcome back on this property, and then I'll fill out a trespass report for her.
Okay.
And then I'll give you incident
Well,
number.
we can't do it unless she's actually on the line. She tells. She's got to tell her not to come back. So since she's not over here now, we can advise her to come back, but we can't trespass her when she's here.
Okay.
Right.
Because right now she's on the Exxon and they never call about it.
Yeah.
Now, it's usually when they walk back over here, you guys are like, hey, she's back. And last time we came out, we took 2 people from jail.
Yeah, I heard that.
So, but we can go there and talk to her, get her name, and she's got warrants, and we'll...
Okay. Alright, sounds good.
Alright, well, I got your information, but
actually, if they're not on here, like, we can't trespass them from the property because we're not the owner of it. Like,
right, I just, can we just advise her, well, I talk about have her verbally tell the lady she's not welcome back on the property. Is that something we can't do?
She would have to walk over there and tell her.
Oh, so we can't have her come back over here?
I wouldn't bring her back on the property.
Okay.
Yeah. Yeah, because then technically, if she's under arrest, yeah, you can bring her back over here. But if she has no warrants or nothing, then you're just stopping to detain her for, her name and stuff. For, trespassing or, report, that's fine, but we can't force her.
Hey, Bianca. Your name Bianca? Is your name Bianca? What's your name, hon?
Yeah.
What's your last name? Stevenson? What you doing out here?
Just walking. I own shoes.
You got no shoes on? Where you live at?
Canal.
Canal?
Yeah.
Okay, so you said your first name's Bianca, last name's Stevens. What's your birthday, hon?
42396. What I do?
42396. Well, we got a call over at Starbucks saying that you were pulling on some car handles, and we had to get your information. So they said they wanted to trespass you.
God's great everything. I dropped $1 on God.
That's okay. You can pick up your dollar. I don't want you to lose your dollar.
No car handles on God.
Okay, you said it's 427 what?
42396.
42396. How you spell your last name, hon?
STEPHNSON. They need to run the cameras back, because I didn't do that.
ENS?
STPHNSON.
Stevenson?
Yes.
STEVENSON?
STEPHNSON.
STEPH?
SON?
Yeah.
Okay, and then Bianca, how you spell that?
BINCA.
INCA? Okay, and where you say you live at?
Canal Interest.
What are you doing all the way out here?
I'm hanging with friends.
You walked in with no shoes?
No, I had shoes, so I took them.
Somebody took them? Okay. What were you doing over at Starbucks? Pick up your dollar. I don't want your dollar to blow away.
I was at Starbucks. I didn't go to Starbucks at all today.
You weren't there? How long you been out here?
I was stuck in the van though, and I've been outside. I walked up to that gas station and walked back. I just walked in there, walked back up to that gas station and walked back. I ain't been nowhere but like just locking that gas station and that gas station. I ain't even know. I've been asleep. I just woke up like probably 4 hours ago.
Okay. What's your social? Alright. Do me a favor. That's perfect. You can sit right there real quick. I'm just gonna go run some information. Give you like 2 minutes. Okay. Stay right there. Alright, Bianca. Do me a favor, honey. You don't got nothing on you, right?
No.
Okay. Go ahead. Stand up for me. You have a warrant. Put your hands behind your back. You're under arrest.
What did I do?
Put your hands behind your back. Put your hands behind your back. You have a warrant.
You got a criminal trespass warrant, huh?
I didn't do nothing.
I'm not saying you did nothing today, but you
Can I
have a
put
warrant.
them on $2?
Yeah, I'll take that with you.
Well, it says no re-sign, so we can't give you a new court date. You must have gotten a court date before on it.
If I ever go to jail,
Yeah, they won't let us give you another court date. So
I don't even
Judge
know
said
how
no.
to put them for.
you didn't go to court.
For what? What did I do?
Criminal trespass, I
For
guess.
what?
I couldn't tell you.
You don't got nothing in your pockets or anything like that? No. What's this in your back pocket?
I'm like,
I'm gonna take that out. We're gonna walk over this cruiser over here. 9-4. Yeah, we're gonna have a code 3 on warrants. Is there a female officer available for a search? Yeah. Sit back a little bit, hon.
You don't have to handcuff her yet. You have 911 come over. Or you don't have to let her on if 911 come over.
Okay.
Take her back out anyway. Should be bags in the.
Why are you always over here?
I didn't do anything.
You're trespassed from this location specifically.
I didn't know Starbucks gave me free coffee and water.
Starbucks doesn't want you on their property either, because
I
we were there.
know that my sister doing it as it belonged her to. She always gives me free coffee and water.
Remember the last time?
Property and I didn't even do anything.
Because you're loitering and
What
you're
is
asking people
loitering?
for money, then you undress yourself.
I don't even dress like that.
You did last time?
I have clothes on. Y'all keep saying I'm doing something. I have mental health problems. I'm not perfect.
Jason and
I didn't do
Yeah,
anything.
she's trespassed from every
everywhere
place
on here
on
she's
this.
trespassing.
Well, I'm just trying to move out of
This is
state if
inside.
I make it out of jail. Because obviously Ohio is not welcome.
Right, they're not. Come on.
I'm
Do
pretty
you
sure
have any
that's where
stems
they
on you? Any broken stems?
No.
No.
Turn around.
I wasn't even at Starbucks
She's
today.
trespassed from Wendy's.
But you're not supposed to be here.
Oh, yeah. Be careful, she had stems.
I know.
We got a bag and stuff.
You do?
Fine.
So I'll be honest, I know I was supposed to be here.
Yeah, I know.
But I didn't remember, I didn't really
now you
take it
do?
serious. Like, I didn't know it was that serious until now.
Yeah, every business on this block has trespassed you. So if you come back to any of these, you're going to go to jail, just like you are today. Spread your legs. All right, have a seat.
First down 41. I just run come in about 5 minutes. I didn't realize it was possibly related to your 41. Partially back there over 2014 Bernie Hodges on a
I
running.
know.
A lot of it looks like it's about a block north of the 41. So they jump in.
Hi, Julia. So we got her on warrants. We have her in the back of the cruiser. If you can do me a favor, just come out there and verbally tell her that she's not allowed back on this property.
Okay.
You can fill out a report. We can just do that for you guys. All right, Bianca. This lady has something to tell you, okay?
Hey, you're not allowed to be back on the Starbucks property lot. That's it.
Do you understand? All right.
There you go, man. So if she ever comes back, and you know who she is, that's her name. That's going to be the report for her trespassing. Just keep that in your office.
Alright.
You guys can go back. You guys can file on her too if we can't get out of here in enough time. Just take a video down to the prosecutor's office in the back of the park.
Oh,
But
okay.
if we come out here and an officer doesn't know who she is, you can just say, hey, this is the girl that was in our lot.
Okay.
You know, if she's still out here, that way we know who it is and we already have a report.
Alright, sounds good.
Yep.
Alright, thank you.
Yep, she's going to jail.